Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This video is just you guys watching me install this blind unit. I do have a review on this wig. It's up on my channel. I will leave that down below if you want to get this wig. But this is a very old wig, y'all. Like, I had this wig for a very long time. It's like a very long time. But I had washed it or whatever. I had washed it and like revamped it yesterday, last night, because it was a mess. And then I was going through my wig basket with all my wigs, and I saw this wig and I was in love with this wig, so I went on and washed it and revamped it and flat ironed it. And so today you guys watch me install this bomb blonde wig. This wig is still bomb. Like, look at this wig is still bomb. Like, it just came out the pack, okay? But yeah, so if you want to watch me and see how I install this wig, then continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on my social medias, because that will also be in the description down below. So I'm done rambling. Just keep on watching. It's a quick, not too long video because it's easy to install, duh. But yes, so guys, thank you for guys watching.